Hello and good morning. This is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart. Today we are going to take you guys through a brokerage listing. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Beautiful boat. We'll take you through a quick walkthrough. Starting up here in the bow, we have a complete bow seating arrangement. Hull sides are desert tan. Everything's in really nice shape. We have the isinglass package all the way around. As you can see, the isinglass looks beautiful. Fiberglass hardtop with the rocket launcher up above, combined with the aft sunshade. We're powered with twin 300 Mercury V8s, just about 232 hours on the engines. As we step in here on the starboard side, we do have the starboard side dive door. Starting here in the back, we have a pull-out transom seat. All the upholstery is in really nice shape, as you can see here. Again, really nice social space back here. Lots of seating combined with the aft sunshade. And then we do have the table package, so 2 tables on board, and then we actually have a couple different spots. We have one that can go here in the cockpit, one midship underneath the hardtop, and then up in the bow as well. As you'll see in the photos, we have a convertible seating arrangement here on the port side, so all of these backrests will convert into different directions. Starboard side has a nice prep station, refrigerator, live well sink. Tons of shade on this boat, and protection with the isinglass package. As we come up here to the helm, we have an upgraded electronics package, 16-inch Raymarine, upgraded 7-inch Mercury vessel view, automatic Lenco trim tabs, Mercury joystick, spotlight. Your helm seat is a powered seat up and down. Port side cabin. On the starboard side, we do have a vacuum flush head. Very spacious bow, windlass anchor. Again, we do have the space up here for the second table, freshwater washdown. You do have stereo control up here with JL audio speakers. As your spotlight. Again, this is a 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage, listed with Brian McGlenn at MarineMax Stuart. Please feel free to give us a call, and we'll be happy to tell you all about the boat and set up a showing for you. Please note this boat's off-site in Vero Beach, and we'd be happy to tell you all about it. You can reach me directly at 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.